Fighting the battle of the bulge every single day. And for a lot, that means the dreaded four-letter word, diet. A new study out has found that by the time an average woman hits the age of 45, she's been on 61 diets. The average woman starts dieting at the age of 16. It averages to about 2 diets every single year. We bring in our lifestyle expert, Laurel House, the Quickie Chick. Laurel, this sounds dangerous.
If you look at parents nowadays who talk about dieting as if it's just normal, it's part of life. We're starting our children off dieting at a very young age. In fact, my cousin told me at the age of 11 that she was on a diet. And she started her first diet at 11, which made zero sense because she didn't need to go on a diet. But it's unfortunately normal.
And unfortunately, a lot of children that get put onto diets, their bodies are still developing. Diets cannot be a real help for that at that point since their bodies are still growing.
It's not healthy. What we need to do is stop thinking diet, erase that word, and start thinking healthy, living a healthy lifestyle, eating balanced meals, exercising. People hate the word diet anyway, and I mean, look at it. It says die before the T. So I say do away with diets. I've been on plenty of diets. I've had to test them for various magazines, and I know that in general they don't work, at least not long term.
Are there any diets that you can actually do that will work if you also use them to change your lifestyle?
They will work in the short term, and I think people who do have a lot of weight to lose need to find a diet specific to their needs and to their liking, because that's another thing about diets. They're all so different. You know, there's the cabbage soup diet, the Atkins, macrobiotic, vegan, raw. There are so many different things. So what works for you? What makes sense in your lifestyle? What can you maintain? And then do that for a little while. That's going to help you to shed the initial weight. And then you have to learn how to eat a balanced diet. That's what's going to work long term. It's the only thing that'll work long term.
And again, if you're altering your diet, don't you have to incorporate some kind of movement into that lifestyle change for anything to work?
Well, exercise is an essential component to living a healthy lifestyle. If you don't exercise, you're not going to lose the weight. And if you do, you're also losing muscle. And muscle naturally helps you to burn more calories faster, even if you're doing absolutely nothing at all. So if you want to do some sort of a detox diet or reduce meat, there's been a lot of controversy about red meat lately, and just focus on vegetables, that's great. You're minimizing your calories. Also exercise. Do something every day.
Laurel House is the author of the Quickie Chick's Cheat Sheet to Life. Love food, fitness, fashion, and finance on a less than fabulous budget. 150